How to activate BECU credit card online. To activate your BECU credit card online, follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down activate BECU credit card and simply hit enter. You will get to see some options available there. Just make sure that you tap on the official portal of BECU.org. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the Join BECU option available at the top right corner of your screen. In order to activate your credit card from the BECU, you will have to join the BECU account first of all. And once you tap on it and log into it, then you can browse through available cards in the BECU and simply tap on any one of them and provide the personal information of yours which has been asked in your device, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.